Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and also that notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are going to be popping up. I'm going to be sharing with you guys today my Walmart haul. I spent about $70 in Walmart today, and after everything with coupons, IBOTTA rebates, it was only about $22. So this is a really great deal considering I got diapers, coffee, medicine, just some things that we needed for the pantry, popcorn, cereal, dryer sheets, etc. So go ahead and make sure that you are following us. Also, if you are not involved in the IBOTTA program, please look in my description box for the referral code. This is going to be an IBOTTA and coupon only video, so I won't be doing any Swagbucks or Shopkicks on these videos. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the Love's diapers. Now, this is a big change because we're not getting the same deal on Love's diapers we were before. What was happening before was we were getting these with a $3 IBOTTA rebate, but now the IBOTTA rebate is only for $1.50 off. So these are $5.47, but with that $1.50 off rebate, we're going to pay just $3.97. It's not as great of a deal as it was before, but I'm still going to pick these up because I do need the Love's diapers. Also, you can get the big box of Love's diapers and get the $3 rebate if you get the big box, but I'm just going to stick with the small packs at $5.47 using that $1.50 IBOTTA rebate, bringing it down to $3.97. So if you have a baby or a baby shower coming up, go ahead and pick these up. The next deal is going to be on these Renews-It cones. The Renews-It cones are going to be 48 cents each. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up 6 of these at 97 cents. When you pick up 6 of these, you're going to use this buy 4, get 2 free coupon. So you're going to get 2 of the Renews-It cones for free. And then you're also going to use a $1 IBOTTA rebate when you buy 2. So that $1 IBOTTA rebate is going to come off, and also those 2 free cones are going to come off, making your total for all 6 cones $2.88, or I think about 48 cents each. So not a bad deal on the cones. A lot of people don't like these, but I like to stick these in the back of my car, and so it smells fresh all the time. The next deal is going to be on these Pepsi minis. I love the mini cans because my kids waste the bigger cans, so I always pick up these mini cans. These are $2.98. There's a IBOTTA rebate for $1 back, and I believe you can do this deal up to three times with IBOTTA. You can get the Pepsi, the Diet Pepsi, the Mountain Dew, all those different kinds. Just look on your IBOTTA app for the different flavors. So these are $2.98. Getting that $1 back on IBOTTA will make it just be $1.98 after that rebate. So pretty great deal considering we don't get coupons on these, and I pick these up all the time. The next item we're getting is this Lesser Evil popcorn. I haven't tried this popcorn, so I'll let you know how it goes. These are $2.98, and we have a $1 IBOTTA rebate coming off on these. There's a limit of 3, I believe, on this, and you can pick them up. And also, if you buy 2 bags of this popcorn, you'll get a 25-cent bonus. I didn't do that. I just got 1 bag for $2.98. That $1 off back rebate makes it just $1.98. I was very surprised when I saw this IBOTTA rebate in the store. So this is the Philadelphia cream cheese. The tubs are a little bit more. I think the tubs are like $3.78. So it's a better deal to get the sticks of the cream cheese at $2.24. There's a 50 cents IBOTTA rebate coming off on these, making these just $1.74 each. So I think that's a great deal on cream cheese. Also considering around the holidays, you were seeing a lot of shortages of cream cheese in the store, and also Philadelphia was like bribing people to not try to buy so much cream cheese at the holidays. So it was really interesting. So yeah, $2.24 for these. 50-cent rebate makes it $1.74 each. So this is one of those buy one, get one free with IBOTTA, so no coupons needed on this. These are $3.78 each. I didn't pick up the vanilla one because it is so much. It's like $4.80. But I did pick up the Chobani Coffee Cold Brew Pure Black for $3.78, and then pick up 2 of those, and then IBOTTA will give you back $3.78. So not an incredible deal, but my husband does drink these, so I'm going to pick this up. So $3.78, buy 2 of them, you'll get back $3.78 on IBOTTA. The next deal is going to be on this Nivea lotion. It's going to be $1.18 each after coupons and Ibotta. I was getting these for about, I don't know, maybe 20 or 30 cents each, but price inflation, these have gone up to $6.18. So it's a little bit of a difference. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this $2 coupon on the Nivea. Going to bring that down to $4.18. And then there's a $3 IBOTTA rebate on the app, bringing this down to $1.18 each. So I'm still going to pick this up. It's still a great deal. Make sure you pick it up with the Nivea Sensitive and Radiant. Nivea Sensitive and Radiant. The next deal is on this Camphor Finique. So this is a really great deal for summer. Great for insect bites and any kind of little wounds you may have. These are $3.97 each, and you'll find it on the Band-Aid aisle. And so we're going to be getting these just for 47 cents each. You're going to use this $4 coupon when you buy 2. So you're picking up 2 of these using this $4 coupon. So when you pick up 2 of them at $3.97, it's going to be $7.94. You're going to use that $4 coupon, bringing your total down to $3.94. And then you're going to submit to Ibotta twice for $1.50. So that's $3 in Ibotta rebates, making this 94 cents or 47 cents each. My daughter's favorite snack are these super pretzels. So anytime they have these, I have to pick them up for her. So these are $2.78 each. Guys, if you cannot find these, please look in the snacking area in your store. It's in the frozen section in the entertainment or snack area. So these are $2.78. We're going to use this dollar coupon, bringing it down to $1.78. Then Ibotta has a 50-cent rebate on these, making these just $1.28 each. So great deal on the super pretzels. Now is a great time to stock up on your s'more supplies because we have some campfires coming up in our family. So these Jet Puff marshmallows are $1.62 each. These are the 12 ounces, and these are the regular size marshmallows. So be careful, don't get the jumbo ones or the mini ones. You can, but this is going to be the better deal. So after the Ibotta rebate of 50 cents coming off on these, it's going to be just $1.12. So make sure you submit that Ibotta rebate for 50 cents. This is the only deal I got this week that was not an Ibotta rebate deal. These are on the Snuggles, and my store finally had the 40 count. Now, what stinks about this was these were $1.47 each before, but with inflation, these are now $1.97, so I'm not getting these free anymore, but still a great deal. These are going to be 47 cents each after using that $1.50 coupon. So, $1.97, use that $1.50 coupon, brings it down to 47 cents each per box of 40 count of the Snuggle. So definitely picking up these Snuggles. Alright guys, if you watch my CVS videos, you know that I like to pick up cereal at CVS because I always can get it for about 50 cents a box. But with everything going on, I just haven't been lucky as I usually am. My daughter was really wanting some Frosted Flakes, so these are $2.98 each. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate coming off on these, making it $2.48. Now, this is not normally the best deal for me, but I am trying to hit my bonuses. We do have some of these Easter bonuses and different things out right now, so I am going to pick these up. So $2.98 for these, 50 cents coming back from Ibotta, making this just $2.48 each. As soon as I put these Frosted Mini Wheats on the counter, my daughter already opened the box up and made her a bowl of cereal. She loves the cereal. So these are $2.88 each. There is a 50-cent coupon from Ibotta, bringing this down to $2.38 each. So I'm glad I did pick these up for her because I never get these at CVS. So yeah, $2.38 each box of cereal. That 50-cent Ibotta coming off. So let's hit them rebates. Alright, I love these Bumblebee tuna packs. These are $1.08 each. We have a 25-cent rebate coming off on these, making them just 83 cents each. So I think it's a really great deal. I know that we don't normally get things like this, and I eat this all the time at work. So $1.08, 25 cents coming back from IBOTTA, making these just 83 cents each. Alright, so that's all the deals for this week. My total before coupons and IBOTTA rebates was $69.48. All the coupons came off, no problem whatsoever. Adding in the midweek moneymaker bonus of $5 that I had, I was able to finish up this entire haul for $22.01. So I was pretty excited about that, considering I got diapers and soda and all kinds of other things in my haul. Guys, thank you so much for joining me in my journey today at Walmart. I'll be doing a Publix video in the next go round tomorrow, so I know that is going to be a little bit different because the sale's in by Easter Sunday, but just check it out anyways. Alright guys, have a blessed one, and I'll see you at Publix.